guidelines. Okay. After we talk together about the previous, now we talk together about oral examination, instruction and guidelines. Instruction and guidelines. What do you mean guidelines? What? Yeah, you're right. Good. Okay, panduan. Like what we always know in oral examination, there is 4 steps. What is it? What's the first action that you, after you enter the door, after your name is called by examiner Fulan, so you enter the classroom, and what do you do after you enter the classroom? What do you do when you are sitting? No. What? Conversation. Okay. Open your notebook and write the writing on the blackboard. The first. The first is conversation. In the conversation session, you will be asked several questions like, what is your name? Yeah, please, when you're asked that question about your name, okay, come in. You will be asked, about your full name. Yeah, your complete name. Okay, you, what is your name?
My name is Akbar.
No, don't answer like this. My name is Akbar. That's your nickname. But answer with complete name. Understand? Okay, let's repeat. What is your name?
My name is Muhammad Hafizan Nur Akbar.
My name is Muhammad Hafizan Nur Akbar. That's right. Understand here?
So,
Yeah, that's about conversation. And the other question may be like, where do you come from? Yeah, asking about your home. Yeah, okay, like you, where do you come from? I come from Jambi. Just like this. Yeah, maybe some examiners will ask your address also. Then please answer completely. Like, please, can you tell me your address? Okay. I'm from Jambi, misalnya. That's example. Yeah, from Jambi. But address is more specific. Understand specific? Maybe your street. My house in the street Kalijaga number 90. The example, like the district, wards, sub-district, wards, and the city, like that. Understand here? Yeah. Okay. Now, what is the difference between where do you come from and where are you coming from? Who know the answer? Please raise his hand up. Who knows? What is the difference? Where do you come from and where are you coming from? Where do you come from? Okay, from home. Asking your home.
where do you coming from?
Where are you coming from?
That is from
The place. You just went like that. You just visit. Okay, maybe. Okay, as the example. Okay, where am I coming from? From terrace or the outside of classroom. Understand here? Understand? Argarifa, understand? Yeah. Okay, where are you coming from? Hey, Argarifa, where are you coming from? In front of the class. That's right. Yeah, that's the question in conversation. Okay, the next session. What is the next step of oral examination? English oral examination. No, vocabulary will be the last. What's lesson? Reading. Okay, who is your reading teacher? Who is your reading teacher? Mister? Okay. Maybe there is some chapter, specific chapter maybe reading. Your reading start from what's the title? Who is a Muslim? And now, how to perform sholat. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's only the example. Yeah. Okay, reading. Okay, there is some question in reading like you must memorize from your article. Yeah, maybe I will give you the example from the first title. Who is a Muslim? That's the first title. Then the question is, who is a Muslim? A Muslim is an individual who accepts Islam as the way of his life. That's correct. Yeah. The question of this session, reading session, will be asked based on your book, based on your reading book. That's the question. Understand here? Yeah, that's from reading session. Okay, next. What is the next step? The third step is asking about what's lesson? Good. Grammar. Grammar also has the specific title like this. What is your first title of grammar? Noun. Who is your grammar teacher? Mr. Pandega. Okay, noun. And now, what's the title? You have been studying. Interjection. Okay, this is only the example. Interjection. Okay. Grammar. Also, like reading lesson, grammar, you will be asked grammar based on your book. Maybe noun. You, Sahal, give the example about noun. Only one noun. Noun. Jakarta is capital of Indonesia. Okay, now only the example noun, not in the complete sentence, but only noun. Understand? Okay, what we say noun in Indonesia? What? That's right. Yeah. Okay. Now give the example, Putra. Noun. Come on, Putra. What? Only noun, not in the complete sentence. Only noun. Just tell me the noun. What? No, that's not the example of noun. Noun, guys, noun. What? Large. That's the adjective. Okay, what you can see in front of you, behind you, beside you. Blackboard. It's not, blackboard. Robito. What is this? talk. Okay, what did you wear? Wear yang kamu pakai. Cloth, shirt, trouser. Once again, what is this? What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Name? Name tag. Okay, what did you hold right now? Hold. I hold the chalk. What did you hold? What did you hold? Pen. That's noun. Yeah. Giving the example. Yeah. Okay, some of grammar is giving the example like that. So, the fourth or the last session of English oral examination is oral English composition. Okay, divided into two parts. The first is translation. Okay, the second is vocabulary. Yeah, these two parts of English oral composition. Yeah, like that. Okay, translation. I give you Indonesian language, so you translate it into English language. Understand? Okay. Bahasa adalah mahkota kita. You can answer, please raise his hand up. Language is our crown. Hari ini harus lebih baik daripada hari kemarin. Okay, what do we say hari ini? Today. What do we say harus? Mas. Lebih baik. Better. Daripada. Then kemarin. Okay. Collided. Today must be better than yesterday. Hari ini harus lebih baik daripada hari kemarin. That's the example of translation session. Okay, now vocabulary. Okay, just like your manager gave you daily conversation, daily vocabulary. I'm sorry, I'm saying, like that. Okay, I give you the example. What we say in English, kerajaan, castle or kingdom. What we say in English language, piala, trophy or cup. Okay, what we say in English, udara. 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 No, udara. Air. Avatar. Air. Okay, what we say in English language, planet. Okay, what we say in English language, just. No, just. Okay, start with C. No. That is 4 letters. Ends with T. No. Code. Okay. Last. What you say in English language, harta karun. What? eraser. Okay, give him applause. Give him applause. Okay, after preface and now instruction and guide list, we finish this session right now. Yeah, I hope you guys, you pay attention to your oral examination, because this oral examination is your chance in improving your result.